Hello, my name is Ninjita, and I'm going to show you how to make a paper boat. The items you will need is a paper and some fake snow to decorate. And it's going to turn out like this. So first, fold your paper half. Then don't fold yet, just make sure it's okay first. Fold it into the middle and fold the other one the same. Hold the bottom here, right there, and then squish down one side and then squish down the other side. Okay, then take the bottom and put it up like that, and then take the other side and fold it like that. Then you're going to make it like that and fold it flat like a square. Fix these parts because they're going to stay like this. Now take one side and fold it like that. And take the other side, fold it. This paper is hard. Fold it like that. And fold it back into a square like that. Then you'll see that there's some spaces there, and you can open it and make this part straight. Then, my favorite part, you take some snow, fake snow. They're so fluffy. And put it there for just decoration. And put a lot of snow. And that's how you make 2 paper snow boats. Now I'm gonna go and play. Bye-bye.